Hey, it's Ritchie Plunkett here from the PapadumGeek, and thanks to the guys at MWAVE, they have sponsored this video so we can check out the new Intel NUC X15 laptop. The all-new X15 laptop is Intel's latest revision, which offers the best of both worlds. Lightweight to carry around for work or school, but powerful enough to run all your latest games. Now, if you're a content creator or gamer, this is the perfect laptop if you're looking for something sleek but don't want to sacrifice power. Now, it wouldn't be a NUC brand if you couldn't customize it as well. MWAVE makes it really easy to do this on their website. Pick your laptop, RAM, SSD, and away you go. Now, if you want to go bare bones as well, this is an option, especially if you already have these things laying around. MWAVE makes it really easy and straightforward to choose the mount and type if you really want to go all out. Now, what we have here is the DIY bundle. Now, I'll show you how easy it is to put this together. As easy as that, we are ready to go. Now, can we first appreciate how simple yet sleek design Intel has made this laptop? Everything you need. Thunderbolt 4, 3 USB 3.1 ports, a full-size HDMI port, and no more carrying around dongles. So this is a little extra part. This is not part of the script because I noticed that in the box, I got these stickers and I thought, oh, that's a bit weird. They gave me some extra stickers that you would normally have on the laptop itself. And as I opened the laptop expecting it to be covered in stickers of like, you know, NVIDIA, Intel, all this, you know, 12 cores, blah, blah, it's nothing. And I think it's a really nice touch that Intel's giving you the choice that if you want to stick these on, you can, or not, just have it nice and sleek and black. I think that's very cool. Now, either you have the choice of an NVIDIA RTX 3060 or 3070, depends on your choice. And did I say it really looks great too? To its programmable RGB backlighting, glass touchpad, even these really silent switches, which sound like this, the laptop feels really solid, especially with its alloy chassis. This particular model, we're rocking the QHD 165Hz display, which provides a rich experience for movies, games, even a bit of editing on the go. Now, you can customize display as well to a full HD 240Hz monitor if that's something you think you need to get the extra edge on the competition. Now, this isn't the first time Intel has come out and launched their own product. Personally, I think it's really great and you get a very raw laptop. It's what they imagined a laptop would be using their hardware. Everything we talked about can be found in the links below. And if you would like to see the full review of this laptop, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video as well if you did like this. And if you have any questions at all, please leave them down below. My name's been Ritchie Plunkett from the PapadumGeek. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you guys in the next one. See ya.